बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? हिंदी टाइम। ओके, आज हम ना थोड़ा रिविजन करते हैं. We'll try to remember what we had learned in the last 6 weeks. Now it is 6 weeks we have come forward, and if I remember, we have learned about 5 concepts, and I will be giving you one more concept in this week, which is from the last year. फूलों के नाम. Remember we learned the name of flowers? We'll try to revise that again. So first, what did we learn in the first week? We learnt about ek or anek. Ek means one. Anek means many. Like we saw, एक साबुन अनेक बुलबुलें. एक पेड़, one tree, अनेक अमरूद, many guavas. Is it not? So that was ek and anek, one and many. Then we learnt about 1, 2, 3. What were the 1, 2, 3's? Come on, tell with me. I have it here. Shall we go? Yeah. Tell me, what are they? Sorry. Come on, I'll keep it here. You can say with me. एक, दो, ये आ गया आपका 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9 और 10. फिर से जल्दी जल्दी गिनती करते हैं. It was little shuffled this time. We'll tell quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and with this we had learned Dhobi Aaya song. Dhobi Aaya Kapde Sang. You know that song, no? Okay, I'm not singing that. We'll not waste time in that. You can sing after the class is over or when we have a meeting together. Okay, then after ek and anek we learnt about family. Mera parivar. So who are all there in the family? Mataji, Pitaji, Dada, Dadi, Chacha, Chachi, then we had Bua, Fufa. They are all on the daddy's side. Now on mummy's side, who all be there? Nana, Nani, Mama, Mami, Mosa and Mosi. And of course there will be lot of children, their children also. So we learned one song also for that. Remember? What was that song? परिवार मेरा है बड़ा, जिसमें है दादी और दादा, और है चाचा जी, और है, oh I forgot, और है चाची चाचा, और है बुआ फूफा, और ढेर सारे भाई बहना. परिवार मेरा है बड़ा, जिसमें है नानी और नाना, और है मामी मामा, और है मौसी मौसा, और ढेर सारे भाई बहना. Okay, and it's just going to be your family. A small family means परिवार मेरा है छोटा, जिसमें है भाई बहना, और है माता जी, और है पिताजी, जिनके आँखों के हूँ मैं तारा. You remember? Okay, keep practicing. So that when we open school, we are only going to sing for a lot of days, okay? That is one thing for family. Then we had come to taste. Swad. There were 6 swad. Is it not? What were all the swad? Meetha, Kadwa, Khara. The first 3 that I taught you. Then you learned Tika, Kasela and Khatta. Okay? Meetha is sweet, kadwa is bitter, khara is salty. Then we saw khatta. Khatta means sour taste, very very sour, pulikum. Then we saw tikka, spicy taste. Tikka, hot and spicy. And then we saw kasela. Kasela is an astringent taste, that is where the tongue itself will start losing its tasting sense. And I gave you an example for that was amla. Amla, karonda, it's a kind of berry. Karonda is a berry, amla is nelika. After you eat that, you will start losing that tongue's taste. Okay, so that was swad. And for swad, we sang one rhyme. I had attached one rhyme for you, is it not? What was that rhyme? La 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 la. कड़वा कड़वा करेला, तीखी तीखी मिर्ची, खट्टा खट्टा कच्चा आम, खरा खरा नमक, कसेला आंवला, मीठी मीठी शक्कर, मैं चला इसे लेकर. La 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 la. Okay, that was your song for taste. Then we came to colors. Just this week, before we did Ranganna story, I helped you remember, revisit all that we learnt last year. We had learnt about lal, pila, neela, hara, kala, safed, gulabi, bangani, bura, narangi, or what another name was kesari. And then one more color was dhusar, the grey color. Okay, dhusar. So these were the color names that we had learned. And today we are going to revise about the names of flowers. फूलों के नाम. Okay, I'm going to introduce you only 3 flowers today. Rest of it you know, you have been learning it last year. So right now we will learn all that we learned last year. Let's see if you remember. Okay, chameli. Chameli. Chameli means jasmine. Gudhal. Gudhal. Gudhal is hibiscus. Genda. Genda. Genda is marigold. Surajmukhi. Surajmukhi, sunflower. Lily. Lily. Kamal. Kamal. Kamal is lotus. Gulab. Gulab is rose. Okay. So we had learned these names of 7 flowers. Okay. How many flowers have we learned? 6, 7. Okay. So we will round it off to say we know names of 10 flowers. So I am going to give you 3 more flower names. Are you ready? I'll make it easy for you. You remember what flower is this? Zinnia. What is it? Zinnia. In Hindi, you call it zinnia itself. Is it easy? Hindi also it is called zinnia. So we have 2 flowers like that. Lily and zinnia. They are called in Hindi the same name itself. Lily and zinnia itself. Okay. And then this is the new flower. Champa. Champa. Have you seen champa flower? Oh, it smells really good and it starts smelling even more better by evening. Champa. In English, you call it frangipani. In foreign countries, they make perfumes with this flower. You know the perfumes which mummy and daddy wears on the clothes, they make from these flowers. It's called frangipani, champa. Okay? And then daisy. Daisy is called as gul bahar. Gul bahar. Okay? Because it's the most beautiful flower in the garden, and they come in different colors. Different colors. So they are like, you know, such a beautiful thing in a garden. Gul bahar. So what are the 3 new names that we learned today? Champa, Gul bahar and Zinnia. Okay? With that, we now know names of 10 flowers in Hindi. How many flowers? 10 flowers. Shall we say one by one? Surajmukhi. You tell. Gudhal. Next one. What is this? Gulab. What is this? Kamal. What is this? Lily. What is this? Chameli. What is this? Genda. Now the new flower. Champa. Gul bahar. Zinnia. Okay? Okay, children. So with that, we have learned 6 concepts in 6 weeks. One is ek or anek. Then you learned ginti 1 to 10 numbers. Then you learned mera parivar. Then you learned swad, taste. Then you learned colors. And in this week you have learned फूलों के नाम. ओके? तो 6 हफ्तों में आपने 6 कॉन्सेप्ट सीख लिए. ओके? बड़ी बात है, बहुत ही बड़ी बात है. वेल डन. ओके? सी यू. आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट